How to invest and make money knowing how short selling works. This is the Pablo Henrique channel. Like and subscription is not requested, it is conquered. Today we're gonna be talking about short sales. Are they good? Are they bad? Are they useful? Are they a pain in the butt? You'll find out. So, short sales is a fantastic way of transacting real estate. It's a great way to get some fantastic deals. But I'm gonna tell you right now, many people get deeply misled with how to win the game in short sales. For me, it's just one of the many sourced hats I use for tracking down really good deals. And, here's one of the things I don't tell you about short sales. A short sale is basically pre-foreclosure. Someone is losing their house to the bank. And when you're losing your house to the bank gives you a certain amount of time to remedy the mortgage, maybe catch up. And so that person is trying to see if they can actually get away with selling the house before it goes into technical foreclosure. So, that person is so motivated to move it, they're going to list it with a price that bank hasn't even approved. So often short sales look deceptively like the absolute best deals, better than they actually are. And the truth, they're not that good a deal. You just don't know. So what you're ending up doing is you're actually making an offer on a house that may not even be sold through a short sale. They're just collecting hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of offers so they can go to the bank and say, "Bank, listen, we want to stay out of foreclosure. Would you accept any one of these 300 offers?" And, how do you win that game, right? I mean, so many people will easily get their house under contract, get it accepted with its stipulation that the bank has to approve it. They don't realize that they're accepting hundreds of offers. And so, you have your house under contract for months already, thinking we're gonna get this deal. We're gonna get it. We're just waiting one bank. I got something to tell you. You're never gonna get that house unless you know how to play the odds. Now how do you do that? The way to win in the game of short sales is all about putting up bulk offers. Understand what it is, and then you win by putting out many offers. In my personal experience, my team writes about 100 short sale offers a day. And we end up months, sometimes to 9 months down the road, winning 1, 2, or 3 of those. Now the ones that we get, they are fantastic deals. And that's why it's a part of my strategy. But the biggest thing is you gotta go in realistic. If you're not planning on writing many offers, don't fall in love with the deal. Don't fall in love with the numbers. Until the bank comes back and says you got a deal. And I bought some of my best houses this way. But you can't just write a couple of offers and hold on to them for 9 months and think that you're gonna win a deal. Because chances are, you're gonna waste an entire year off your life, doing what you considered to be fruitful action, but in the end, it's gonna bear no fruits. So what's the secret? Write a lot of offers. And then be patient. Now watch this video right here for you to learn how to make big money. Videos every day at 8 p.m. Watch this video right here. Thank you so much everyone for watching. My name is Pablo Henrique and I'll see you in the next video.